Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a free Gmail account. First, open Google Chrome and click on Add Account, then select Create Account. Next, enter your details such as your name, date of birth, and gender. You will then be prompted to create your own email address and a strong password. At this point, you'll need to open the camera on your phone to scan the QR code and tap the link provided. Follow the brief verification steps on your mobile device to continue. After that, you have the option to add a recovery email. You can add one now or do it later. For this video, I'm going to skip this step. Tap Next, then click I agree to the terms. Your Gmail account is now ready. And that's how you create a free Gmail account.